Alright guys, here I got the clutch spring. Not bad. Smells like something's kind of burnt when I open the package. You got the instructions here. Careful. Oh shit, the whole thing comes out. Alright. So, alright, press the clutch pedal. We're gonna turn this bitch off. It's just hot out there. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay. First thing to do, press the clutch pedal fully in order. Press this. Oh, this is not easy. It's a lot of strain. Give this a go. 2 middle ones. Come on, let's kiss. Alright. Alright, I see why they say needle nose. Come on, baby. This is a bitch. Come on. This thing's heavy. Come on. Get in there. Squeeze this bitch in here. Come on. Come on. Almost got it. Come on. Use the muscles. The needle nose, I guess. Come on, get in, get in. It does not grab. What the fuck? Alright, I'm absolutely sweating. It's humid here. Oh, and it's just a lot of work trying to depress it. So I'm gonna try it with a needle. I can't even think. Needle nose. I'm gonna try one with the needle nose. I gotta wait to get that tool. I don't have it with me right now. Right now my hands are sweaty. Put it all the way down.
am I looking for?
The spring there. The two middle springs, you gotta clamp it down with that.
That big ass spring?
Yeah.
You gotta push that down?
Yeah, you clamp it down with that tool.
Oh, you're gonna need a bigger fucking one, dude. This ain't gonna fucking fit. Nah, hold on. Let me go bring my pliers. Oh.
Got it?
Does it just pop out?
Yeah, you gotta squeeze it in and then you gotta rotate it.
Like, squeeze, rotate this way, or?
Yeah.
You can definitely squeeze it really easy. Try it. Alright, what do I gotta do?
Alright, you wanna clamp it and I hold down the clutch pedal and then easy. Put my leg right here. Just twist it.
My God.
Alright guys, we're back. I have used almost every tool to try to get this thing off, and what actually worked was a pipe wrench and a friend. So what's up? So I put my foot on the clutch pedal and he pulled this and turned it. The locking on this, like the strength on this wasn't good enough. This couldn't clamp down, this couldn't grab or clamp down. So this is the tool that they want you to use, is a locking needle nose vice grip. But this one is not strong enough. I probably needed a bigger one, but even though it kind of looked exactly like what they use in the picture, but not really, I guess. This couldn't clamp it down. This did it with ease. So if you have one of these and you have a friend, not even 5 seconds. So to not be busting your ass, use a friend. It's too much Herculean strength you'll need. Alright guys, so we have, this is the Steeda 35-pound clutch spring, and this is the stock one that comes with the Mustang. Like, you can't really, I can't do it by hand, and you can see here I can almost compress it completely like a slinky. So this is the old one, toss that away. So now we're gonna assemble this back together. So you just slide this on here like that. Like you put this in here, and then there you go, you're good to go. So all you gotta do now is mount it back in the car, and hopefully that's a lot easier. We're about to see. All right, later. Feels really good on the foot. I mean the foot. Oh my God, it's responsive. It's responsive. There's no guessing anymore. It feels like a stage 2 clutch. It's so responsive. Oh my God. This is 5,000 times better. Worst clutch feels I ever had in a car to the best, automatically. Steeda knows exactly what they're doing. Oh my God, it's responsive as hell. Like I know what I'm doing. Very responsive. Oh my goodness, y'all. All I need to do is just take this shifter out, switch it out, and I can bang through gears now. Now, this is a must-have. Like, you can't, I would never rock with this stock clutch spring on this car. Either take it out or put this in. This is amazing.